Alright, so I have to build concrete piers for this side of the deck. Um, I am drilling some holes with this 6-inch auger. Obviously, the piers are going to be 12 inches in diameter for the sono tubes, and they got to be 36 inches in the dirt, really 32 inches. However, I'm going down 36 inches. I'm throwing some gravel down there, and then I'm putting sono tubes on top. The reason I'm using the post hole digger when I had an auger is because the auger is only 31 inches, can only go down 31 inches deep. Still got to clean out the hole. The day of the hole inspection for the concrete piers, or for the holes, and hell of a lot of rain was going on. Even though I had a tarp, even though I had pieces of wood over the holes and a tarp, and made sure that the tarp was secured, no wind could blow it. So I got to get the water out, as well as dig the holes down a little bit deeper so I can get to the proper depth, 36 inches. So this is not something I planned on doing the day of the inspection, but here we go. Just to give y'all an idea, you see the water? Yep. Everyone, make sure you get one of these utility sump pumps, and you can't have your hose but too long neither. But if you can see, I got my hose. It's like about, I don't know, maybe about 10 feet long. Drop it in the hole. There's the sump pump up in there. See how that sump pump just goes under the water. That's how deep it is. Sump pump is doing this thing, as you can see, and then when you look over there, water's coming out. Okay, and that little bit right there, that's where the water's coming out. So let's go back over here. It shouldn't take long. Shouldn't even take a minute. So okay. Yeah, keep it going. Get it out. Alright, so I dug the hole, I redug the hole again. I had to use the post hole digger. And now tamping everything down. Okay. That's what the first hole looks like now. Right there. Okay, nice. So, alright. I'm done with that, and it is at 36 inches deep. See, the gravel's in there, and try to make it as even as possible. I put the concrete piers in. The reason I wasn't able to video, to record it was, it was a lot. It was like real fine mist. The weather was bad, and I only had that one day to do it, so I just had to make sure I get it done.